A star in the making. Koome A is a 17-year-old young man who plays for Blue Bombers. His dreams of playing international and becoming a professional are still alive. Koome believes at one point will play for Manchester United and is adored by people like Neymar Jr. and Marcus Rashford. Take a look at this story voiced by our very own Grace Nala.
It is no doubt that football is the most loved sport in the world. This explains why we have hundreds of thousands of players joining every day. Every player believes it will work for them as they seek to turn professional. The dream is real, but we'll need much more than just dreaming. Today on our talent search, we focus on Koome A, a football player who is determined to make a living and change his life through football.
I started playing football when I was around 6. I got inspiration and passion from my grandfather and my uncle. They were really good footballers. They're really into football, so they told me. Then I got passionate, started watching it more. Then I wanted to become better, and yeah.
The 17-year-old winger knows what he wants to do and has already identified football as a stronghold. This is pure talent and a future champion.
Yeah. I just really like the sport. I don't know how to explain, but I just like it. It's like a passion.
We actually play the same position, but we both play wing. He's a very skillful player, very disciplined. And we work well together because we both communicate. So if in case, let's say his opponent is already marked how he plays, we usually switch. So it's usually, we also have mind games with the opponents, so yeah.
In the capital, Nairobi, there are so many football academies. Settling on the best for nurturing talent is a tedious activity. But Blue Bombers provides a variety of experience. Behind his success stand gigantic figures, his family and coaches at the academy. They have supported his dream through thick and thin.
I get a lot of support from my parents. I love them so much. They support me by helping me come to Blue Bombers, paying for it, making me come after school and training as much as I can. And they support me so much. I could not want any more different parents. They support me so much, and I love them for that.
Koome is biased to Brazilian and PSG forward Neymar Jr. Neymar has been a great influence to his style of play.
I love how he just plays the ball, and he gets a lot of hate, but he doesn't let it get into him, and he just plays the ball, and just one of the best players I've ever watched play. And really, I try to play like him, but yeah, he really inspires me.
Koome, an ardent fan of Manchester United and Gor Mahia, hope to don the red and green jerseys someday.
Rashford from Man United. Last season, he was having a very bad season. He has scored 4 goals the whole season. Then right now, he's one of the best players in the world. He's started scoring every game, and the mentality he has right now is just amazing, and I love it from him.
I would see him playing for Manchester United. He always talks about it. He always has high hopes for it. So I would like to see him play in the Premier League.
So many players have talents, some which can take them to the next level of becoming the future stars. But along the way, they disappear and nobody understands what happened. They say when discipline diminishes, the hope of success and a better tomorrow melt with it.
Let me say, a lot of boys have talent. But here at Blue Bombers, we blend the talent. We give them basics to prepare them to be the next Neymars. So I'm quite sure in 5 to 10 years, we shall start hearing the Koomes, the Tonys, the Cheges, the Trevors. Yeah, because we start from grassroots here at Blue Bombers, grassroots football.
So many players find it difficult to balance both school and sports. Koome strikes the balance for all thanks to the support system around him.
After I go to school, then I come back, I set time for studies, I set time for training. So like I go to school, come to training, then after training I go home and hit the books. And I just find a balance with that because like in the Bible it says this time for everything, and I believe that I can balance everything out.
Koome, a Crawford International School student, is determined to pursue his aeronautical engineering career, whether football works for him or not.
My other career choice if football doesn't work out is to be an engineer. Yeah, I just really like in building and things like that. I'm really interested by it, and that's my other career path if football doesn't work out.
Koome's skill cannot go unnoticed.
Actually, when you look at his first touch, so marvelous, fantastic. He has a very good first touch. And that one only gives him what? The confidence to do anything he wants on the ball. Whether shooting, passing it, or taking a defender. So I see that first touch of his gives him a lot of confidence to play as a winger or as a striker. Because when you're a striker, when your first touch is good, you can be clinical.
To parents out there struggling with identifying their children's talents,
nowadays when you look at a child with a talent, you just need to support that child, because after school there are a lot of players who have made it through sports, football. So I just encourage all the parents to just support their kids, to support them, that's all. Those are the things I wanted to see.
Koome A is focused and determined to live his dream of playing professional football. Why not? The future looks bright for him.
Not all the children will become doctors, nurses, pilots, engineers. Some will play football, volleyball, handball, or anything they want to play and make a living out of it. Just give them a chance. Let the children play. Anyway, let's leave home and fly away to London. Graham Potter has been sacked as coach for Chelsea. Graham Potter has parted way with the team which he has been training and making sure that he's sharpening their skills for the last 7 months.